Both models passed every test, but Luna's estimated API equivalent cost was about 66% lower. So why did Sol still win the benchmark? Because this test produced 3 different answers. Correctness was a tie. Sol won the clock. Luna won the cost estimate. And that contradiction is exactly where the useful lesson starts. The challenge was a broken JavaScript job scheduler spread across 2 files. Think of it like a waiter tracking which table ordered what, which requests should retry, which were canceled, and which dishes must still arrive in the correct order. One wrong decision can make several tables fail at once. Under that analogy were input checks, limited concurrency, retries with backoff, cancellation, timeouts, and deterministic result ordering. The models had to make all those rules cooperate, not merely produce code that looked convincing. A retry cannot quietly break the concurrency limit. A canceled job cannot reappear later. And results still need the right order, even when jobs finish out of order. Then, hidden tests checked the cases the contenders could not see. Luna used max reasoning. Sol used medium. Each configuration ran 3 times from a fresh directory and a fresh session. Same files, same prompt, same permissions, same timeout. Hidden tests stayed outside their workspaces, and once each one began, nobody helped. Human interventions? 0. 3 runs cannot erase randomness, but they stop one unusually good attempt from becoming the entire story. Reveal 1. Correctness. 5 visible tests plus 8 hidden tests made 13 total. Every Luna run passed 13 out of 13. Every Sol run passed 13 out of 13. All 6 runs cleared the entire test suite. That matters because the hidden checks covered edge cases the agents could not tailor their fixes around. Still, it does not prove that no defect exists. It means a correctness tie on this one controlled task. Reveal 2. Time. Luna's runs clustered between roughly 10 and 13 minutes. Sol was less predictable. One run took about 12 minutes, but the other 2 finished in about 6 minutes and under 5. That is why we use the median instead of cherry-picking the fastest run. The median was 11 minutes 28 seconds for Luna and 6 minutes 1 second for Sol. Sol used 47.6% less median elapsed time. Put another way, Luna took 1.9 times as long. With every higher priority benchmark rule tied, elapsed time gave Sol the official win. Wait, before you write off Luna, you need to see the bill. Across all 3 runs, Luna's API equivalent estimate was about $1.07. Sol's was about $3.11. Luna came out 65.5% lower, rounded to 66% in the title. Sol reported fewer median tokens, but its list price per token was much higher. Fewer tokens did not mean a lower estimate. Estimated is doing important work here. These authenticated Codex command line runs did not report a comparable retail bill or credit charge. I applied the published API rates to the token usage Codex reported. Exact long context surcharges cannot be reconstructed from the aggregate logs. So this is a consistent API equivalent comparison, not the actual amount charged to an account. Now the scoreboard makes sense. Correctness? Tie. Turnaround time? Sol. Estimated API cost? Luna. The benchmark called Sol the winner because speed was its next tiebreaker. But that ranking rule is not every team's purchasing rule. A developer running background jobs overnight may reasonably care more about cost once both options pass every test. A developer waiting on an urgent production fix may value those saved minutes more. The data is clear, but the choice isn't just about the numbers. It's about your workflow. Choose Luna Max when the task can tolerate a longer wait and estimated API cost matters. Choose Sol Medium when turnaround time matters more. This is a decision rule from one debugging task, not a universal ranking of either model. But there is still one expensive-looking assumption hiding in the setup. Luna ran at max reasoning. Sol ran at medium. We never tested Luna at high or medium, so this experiment cannot tell us whether max was necessary or whether a lighter Luna could preserve the score while cutting time or cost again. We know Luna Max can match Sol Medium here. But did Luna actually need max reasoning? That's the next test. Follow the vibe terminal for tests, not hype.